Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start a new series of lecture, Strength of Material. Strength of Material is engineering discipline concerned with ability of material to resist mechanical forces when in use. So let's begin with it. Introduction. Take a rod, apply some force P to it with the length L. What will happen? Will it be same after application of force or its size or shape will be changed? Let's see further. Yes, its size and shape is changing. That is, its length is increasing. But why is it this so? This is because of deformation. So what is deformation? Deformation is change in length or breadth or diameter or thickness, anything. That is, deformation is change in dimension of any body. So why do this deformation occurs? This occurs due to load or force we apply to the body. In this example, we applied force P to it in outward direction at both the end. So the direction is outward, the rod will elongated in horizontal direction. That is why the length is increasing and the diameter is decreasing. This is because of deformation. Due to deformation, stress and strain is generated towards the body. Let's see in detail further. What we will study in strength of material. In engineering mechanics, we have studied about the rigid bodies, forces and its nature. In strength of material, we will study about the deformable bodies, the body which will deformed, effect of forces on it, and how the body behaves under these forces. So strength of material is also known as mechanics of solids and structural mechanics. Rigid bodies and deformable bodies. Rigid bodies. There is no deformation of a body under action of load to which they are subjected. So in rigid body, if we apply any load or force to it, there will be no change in their dimensions, that is, no change in their length, width, diameter, etc. That is, no deformation in it. No body is perfectly rigid. In the whole world, there is no such body that is perfectly rigid. Every body deforms slightly under action of force. The rigid body is an imaginary or theoretical concept. Since no body is perfectly rigid, that is, every such bodies in the whole universe deform slightly under the force after application of force. So the rigid body is an imaginary concept. Deformable body. As the name suggests, deformable. So the body which deforms, that is the body which changes its size and shape, that is deformable body. So let's see the definition of it. Deformable body always undergo change in dimension of a body due to application of force, that is change in length, change in dimensions, change in width, etc. Let's see some example of rigid and deformable bodies. Take a spring with no mass of weight attached to it. If we apply mass of weight to it, it will get elongated slightly. If we apply more mass of weight to it, it will again get elongated more. So this elongation is deformation, and this change in position of weight is displacement. That is, in this example, the weight is rigid body because the weight is not changing its size and shape, but the spring is not a rigid body, it is deformable body because it is changing its dimension. So if force is more, that is weight is more, the spring elongated, that is deformation of spring will be more. If weight is less, the deformation of spring will be less. So in strength of material, we will study about the deformation of a body. That is, in this example, we will study about the spring, not the weight, because we have already studied in engineering mechanics about the rigid body. So in strength of material, we will study about the deformable bodies.
So, guys, that's all for today. For more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.